Welcome back to the channel, folks. This is daily update for Xela stock, and we're looking at the levels for tomorrow. This is a pump and dump stock, and this why I mean that is because the company doesn't have the financials to steady go up, right? And what this is a momentum based stock, which means that every time there's a momentum, if you cash that momentum, your money. If you don't, you're going to lose money. For example, the catalyst that broke out the other day, 2 days ago, where Xela said they have received $51 million in new funding. Now, what does that mean? They got $51 million cash. And if we look at their cash statement right now, right? Operating cash flow is negative $124 million, which means whatever salaries they're paying, whatever expenses they have, they don't have enough money. They only have $45 million in their hands. So that 51 really puts them in the position to be able to, take care of the expenses and not really go bankrupt anytime soon. So that was what the momentum was, which drove the stock. And aftermarket, during that day, Friday, close of business day, started coming down. And these are the levels that I have here. There's a demand level for February, which is a very realistic. It's about 58 cents. And if we look at the short interest for the stock, short interest is not really that high, which means it's only 7.91%. So you really can't go off of saying that there's going to be a massive short squeeze. And, maybe there is a little bit of momentum, but you can't really expect massive short squeeze. That's not for this stock. Okay, so you got to trade this stock in a way that when there's a momentum, you want to get in and you just come out right before the levels. Okay, so these are the levels that I have here. And before we talk about the levels, let's have a look. On Friday, the stock traded 484 million shares. Even then, the price really didn't cross 85 cents. Okay, that was enormous volume pumped into the stock. Okay, whoever wanted to make money made money and came out. But again, the stock did not cross the 85 cents mark. Average stock volume is about 141. 8.38 million is in market cap. EPS is negative 19, which means they're not profitable, which means that this is a pump and dump stock and you want to catch momentum, come into the position and come out. I personally don't hold anything. I would recommend the same thing for other folks as well. Do not hold anything for Xela. Treat it like a trade or even a swing trade for that matter, but don't hold anything over time because this company financially is not very strong. And in my opinion, 2 years or so, I don't think the company will be able to survive this unless they show some strength in their quarter earnings and things like that. These are my levels for tomorrow: 58 cents, 51 cents, 47 cents. And I think it's coming down. I think it's going to come down either to stop at 64 cents. And if it crosses 64 cents, it's definitely going down to 58 cents. Now, if it crosses 58 cents demand level, it's going to 51 cents. And if it crosses 51 cents, it's going to 47 cents. And I could pick it up from there because I know the stock will hover between 47 cents and 58 cents. This is like a very good zone for the stock for a couple of last weeks. So definitely check this out. Check out the stock for tomorrow. Hope you guys like this video. I'll talk to you guys in the next video.